Hello everyone. I hope you are doing good and enjoying our recipes, and if you love to watch them, please do like, share, subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get the notifications of our new recipes. Today in this video we will see how to make chicken Malai Tikka or white chicken kababs. So without any further delay, let's start with the recipe. For making chicken Malai Tikka, take 500 grams of boneless chicken or chicken breast and cut them into 1-inch pieces. For first marination, add some salt to taste, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder, half tablespoon of ginger paste and 1 tablespoon of garlic paste. Mix everything well and marinate it for about 30 minutes. Now for second marination, take 3/4 cup of hung curd, half cup of fresh malai or fresh cream, 2 tablespoons of almond paste, 1 teaspoon of green chili paste, 1 teaspoon of kasuri methi and 2 teaspoons of garam masala. Also add 1 tablespoon of chopped coriander leaves. Mix everything well and marinate minimum for about 2 hours. I have transferred everything to a large bowl. To give the tandoori flavor to the tikkas, in a bowl take a hot charcoal and add some ghee over it. Once you see the smoke, cover it immediately for about 2 to 3 minutes. In a pan, add 1 teaspoon of oil and 1 tablespoon of butter and add chicken pieces one by one to the pan and cover and completely cook it. Likewise, cook all the chicken pieces. Serve them in a plate with Szechuan chutney or green chutney and with some salad. I hope you liked this recipe, and if you liked it, let me know in the comment section.